Hello everybody! Today we are going to talk about the medical use of aloe vera. As you already know, there are a lot of places in the medicine where aloe vera has been used widely. But we are going to discuss in this video 13 most used places of aloe vera in medicine. Let's watch together and get new information about aloe vera. Aloe, genus of succulent plants with more than 150 species, most native of Southern Africa. They usually have short stems, fleshy, tapering leaves crowded in rosettes at the end of the stem, and red or yellow tabular flowers in dense clusters. Species vary in height from several centimeters to more than 9 meters. They are widely cultivated as a garden and tube plants in warmer regions. Several species are commercially imported as a source of a bitter-tasting aloes used in medicine. So let's list certain use of aloe vera in medicine. Number 1. Juice of fleshy leaves is usually mixed with gogo by Filipino women and used to prevent falling of hair or as a cure of baldness. Number 2. Used for dandruff. Number 3. Juice from leaves mixed with the wine used to preserve the hair. Number 4. Burns and scalds. Use ointment made by mixing equal amounts of powdered aloe and coconut oil. Number 5. Juice from leaves mixed with milk used for dysentery and pains of the kidney. Number 6. Used for wound healing. Number 7. For conjunctivitis, leaf juice is applied to the outer eyelid. Number 8. In the Philippines, leaves used to poultice edema associated with beriberi. Number 9. Used for sprains. Number 10. For contusions or local edema, bruised fresh leaves are applied as a poultice over affected areas. Number 11. In the Arabian peninsula, used for diabetes. Number 12. For bruises, equal parts of juice and alcohol are applied to affected areas. Number 13. For hemorrhoids, cuticle from leaves used as suppository for hemorrhoids. Do not forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified for new videos. Like, comment and share with your family and friends informative video, tips and remedies we are publishing. We wish you and your family healthy life. Thanks for watching. Stay strong, live long.